Hello everyone, it's time to play and have fun. Let's explore some musical instrument. Drums is one of my favorite musical instruments. Come along with me, sit down and relax and let's enjoy. Letting children play musical instruments can lead to numerous benefits, including enhanced cognitive developments, improved academic performance, and also increased self-esteem. It also fosters creativity, discipline, and lifelong appreciation for music. Furthermore, playing an instrument can improve social skill, coordination, and even physical dexterity. Upang tuklasin ang imahinasyon, maaari siyang makisali sa mapanglikhang paglalaro. Yakapin ang pag-iisa, linangin ang pagkamausisa, at maghanap ng mga bagong karanasan. Ang pagkahikayat sa mga aktibidad na ito ay maaaring mapaunlad ang pagkamalikhain, ang kasanayan sa paglutas ng problema, at mas malalim na pag-unawa sa sarili at sa mundo. Hayaan lang natin sila mag-enjoy at mag-explore sa kanilang sarili. Let them be who they are, and they will be creative what they are doing. So sa lahat po na sumaybay at nanood dito sa aking videos, maraming salamat po. At sa susunod, magkita-kita tayo muli. Ingat palagi. Paalam!